हरिओम। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव. This bhajan is a heartwarming conversation between Lord Krishna's close friend Uddhav and the gopis, milkmaids of Vrindavan, including Radha. It delves deep into the themes of divine love, devotion, and the true nature of surrender. Uddhav was sent by Krishna to convey his message to the gopis, who were deeply in love with Krishna and yearning for his presence. Krishna told Uddhav to tell the gopis to not remember Krishna so much and also don't feel the pain of separation from Krishna. The gopis through this bhajan are explaining to Uddhav that this divine love and this sweet pain of separation, viraha ki vedna, gets them deeply connected to Lord Krishna. And they are telling Uddhav that anyway Krishna's worldly responsibilities have taken Krishna away from us. Now it's not fair, Uddhav, that you want to take our memories of Krishna also away from us. So it's a very beautiful, heartwarming conversation. Let's dive into this heartwarming response of gopis through this bhajan to Uddhav. ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है. यहाँ सर दे के होते हैं सौदे, आशिकी इतनी सस्ती नहीं है. O Uddhav, these are matters of deep love. Each gopi is saying, O Uddhav, worship of God and performing rituals is something that I cannot do. I am just so immersed in the love of Lord Krishna 24/7 that is my worship, that is my love for God, devotion for God. And in love, the true deal is about surrendering one's head to the beloved. Love is an extremely expensive affair. It cannot be attained so easily. You have to give your entire self to the beloved. The gopis are expressing that their love for Lord Krishna is not merely a religious act or a duty. It's a deep, passionate, divine love that cannot be bought or sold. They are not interested in superficial worship. They simply want a genuine, heartfelt connection with the Lord. And each one of us, when we rise in such deep love with God, with a true Guru, we experience true devotion, true bhakti. True bhakti is not about rituals or about idol worship. True bhakti is an all-consuming love, unwavering faith, and unconditional surrender to a true Guru's wisdom, to the divine will of God. It's not a mere transaction but a profound, selfless dedication. इश्क वालों ने कब वक्त देखा, तेरी पूजा में पाबंदियां हैं. यहाँ दम दम में होती है पूजा, सर उठाने की फुर्सत नहीं है. When have lovers ever looked at time? Uddhav, you are not understanding what love is all about. In your kind of worship, there may be rules and regulations. But here we worship with our every breath. There is no time to even lift our heads. Those who are in true love never look at the time. In idol worship, there are restrictions to do worship in a particular manner, to do puja in these times only, to do rituals in a particular way only, and so on and so forth. But in deep love with God, worship simply happens every moment because there is an intense, uninterrupted connection with God every moment, whatever we are doing. For the gopis, every moment is an act of worship, and they are so absorbed in divine love that they have no time for anything else. Each breath is immersed in God's name, God's word, God's love. Such is the true love with God. Even when we are doing our worldly responsibilities, we are aware that it's God's divine energy that is doing it. And we then simply witness all of it in effortless remembrance of God every moment. We are in that awareness that God is with us and doing everything through us. Even while walking, eating, working, sleeping, anything that we do, we are immersed in God's love as true lovers of God. We are so immersed and busy with God that there is no time left for anything else. Like the gopis, our love for God must be constant, all-consuming, ever-flowing. Love is not bound by the rules and regulations, and love is the only beautiful thing that can break the law. Let our devotion be so deep and immersive that we experience this divine love, this oneness with God like the gopis. आज दिल से जो मस्ती में डूबे, होश कब उनको है जिंदगी में. जो चढ़ती उतरती है मस्ती, वो हकीकत में मस्ती नहीं है. यहाँ जाम बंदे रोज पीना, मस्तों का है यही जीना. प्यार से जो एक बार पी ले, वो उम्र भर उतरती नहीं है. Today, those who are immersed in true divine ecstasy and eternal joy from their hearts, when do they ever have wakefulness in their lives? They are so immersed in divine ecstasy that they don't care about anything else in the world. The worldly joy that rises and falls is not real joy. The ups and downs of worldly pleasures are not true ecstasy. True joy, true ecstasy in divine love is always there, always ever existing. It is constant and unwavering. It doesn't go up and down. So, gopis are therefore criticizing the temporary, fleeting pleasures of the world, emphasizing that true spiritual joy comes from a deep, abiding connection with the divine. Like each gopi, a true lover of God, a true devotee, drinks the cup of divine love daily. This is the life of those who are intoxicated in divine love. Whoever drinks this love, it doesn't leave them for a lifetime. It means that whoever experiences this love within themselves, whoever establishes such deep connection with God, they feel intoxicated in this love, a beautiful feeling of intoxication. And it is like an intoxicating nectar that once tasted can never be forgotten. It becomes a permanent state of being, a continuous experience of divine ecstasy. Such is the bliss of God. We become so immersed in this bliss that worldly concerns, worldly matters have no meaning for us in this permanent state of being. Once this nectar is tasted, this love becomes an inseparable part of one's being. We all have experienced this in glimpses, but once we internalize this divine love, it will be our permanent state of mind, permanent state of being. वो नज़र क्या ज़माने को देखे जिसकी नज़रों में मालिक समाया. जो नज़र देख लेती है तुझको, वो नज़र फिर तरसती नहीं है. What does the world matter to those whose eyes only see the beloved? When Lord resides in one's eyes, that person cannot see anything else but God. The eyes that see you, O Lord, never yearn for anything else. That's the message from the gopis to Uddhav. The gopis are saying that when one's heart is filled with divine love, worldly desires become insignificant. The eyes that have seen the divine beauty find nothing else attractive. And divine love makes every lover of God only see God everywhere, in everything and everyone. Divine love is so intense that our thoughts, when immersed in the beloved, see only the beloved everywhere, effortlessly taking us away from fleeting pleasures and temporary relationships of the material world. Once the divine presence is realized within, the worldly vision becomes irrelevant. Like the gopis desire nothing else, every lover of God just looks for oneness with the divine, signifying that ultimate fulfillment and satisfaction is found only in divine love. Such a beautiful bhajan on bhakti, devotion, surrender, faith, and deep, intense divine love. The gopis represent the ideal devotee who is completely surrendered to divine love. Their love is not based on any expectations or desire. It is a pure and selfless love that transcends all worldly limitations. In a sense, this soulful bhajan is a celebration of divine love and a reminder that the ultimate goal of human life is to experience the bliss of this divine love which comes from oneness with the divine. Stay immersed in divine love. Stay one with God. ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। यहाँ सिर दे के होते हैं सौदे, आशिकी इतनी सस्ती नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। इश्क वालों ने कब वक्त देखा, तेरी पूजा में पाबंदियाँ हैं। इश्क वालों ने कब वक्त देखा, तेरी पूजा में पाबंदियाँ हैं। यहाँ दम दम में होती है पूजा, यहाँ दम दम में होती है पूजा, सर उठाने की फुर्सत नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। आज दिल से जो मस्ती में डूबे, होश कब उनको है जिंदगी में। आज दिल से जो मस्ती में डूबे, होश कब उनको है जिंदगी में। जो चढ़ती उतरती है मस्ती, जो चढ़ती उतरती है मस्ती, वो हकीकत में मस्ती नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। यहाँ जाम बंदे रोज पीना, मस्तों का यही है जीना। यहाँ जाम बंदे रोज पीना, मस्तों का यही है जीना। प्यार से जो एक बार पी ले, हो प्यार से जो एक बार पी ले, वो मर भर उतरती नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। वो नजर क्या ज़माने को देखे, जिसकी नजरों में मालिक समाया। वो नजर क्या ज़माने को देखे, जिसकी नजरों में मालिक समाया। जो नजर देख लेती है तुझको, जो नजर देख लेती है तुझको, वो नजर फिर तरसती नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। यहाँ सिर दे के होते हैं सौदे, आशिकी इतनी सस्ती नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की नहीं है। ये मोहब्बत की बातें हैं उद्धव, बंदगी मेरे बस की